Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, just a random video between a match also between a random match between kasi we were supposed to play 2v2. Unfortunately, hindi available yung isa naming kasama. So we're just going to play best ball here in Navy 2v1. So they'll be playing their ball, match play. Tapos best ball yung format. So I'll be playing against si Doy and si Mikey. Okay, magba-match play kami, best ball. Tapos magpapating Olympics kami, 20 pesos per hole. So again, please like, comment, and subscribe who you think will win our match today. So starting the round with Doy, number 1.
Go, brother.
For my second shot, left with 300 yards pa rin. I'm just laying up with a 7 iron. Need to, course management. Mama. Okay, Mr. Raimundo. To go up and down for a birdie. That's third shot. Kanan lang. Naku, bunker! Favorite spot! Okay. For my third shot to go up and down for a birdie, I'm left with 125 yards. Hitting a full 50 degree wedge. Matalbog na.
Right.
Okay, Mr. Cass playing his 5th shot to go up and down for a bogey. Ay, kanan lang. Bite. Okay, short lang pala si Mr. Raimundo. Hindi siya umabot sa bunker. I think this is for him to go up and down for a par yata to. Pasok! Wow! Nice shot! Nice shot! Okay, sayang. Ako pala I landed short. It's not as firm pala. Okay. Looks like it's left to right. Hindi, right to left. Okay, Mr. Cass. To go up and down for double bogey na to. Hindi pala ako umabot. Wala na to, kaliwa? Left to right, maliit lang. Sa gitna ng hold hole ba yan? Nice out, Mikey! Dyan din. Kaliwa ng dating butas. Okay. Okay, par. That was a good up and down for par. Tatay yan. Tatay yung kay Doy. Ay, 1 point pala ako. Tama. So 3 points si Mikey, 2 points pa yan. For Olympics. Yan, 3 points. 3 points. Mr. Raimundo para all square ang match and for 2 points. Okay. 3 points, 2 points, 1. Okay. Tapos all square. Alright, so hole number 2. Currently, the match is still all square. Tapos for Olympics, Doy is leading 3 points. Mikey is leading 3 points. Si Doy is 2, ako 1. So hole number 2 is playing 447 yards. Dog leg left. Kaliwa lang.
Kaliwa masyado, Mike. Ang target mo, ang target. Kaliwa mo. Nice shot.
Need to do some course management. Shout out pala sa aking Wengder woman. Mga tirang 30 dito, no? Okay, just need to pound shots. We needed to punch out. We are still left with 147 yards. Slightly with the wind. So hitting, hopefully hitting a pitching wedge to go up and down for par.
Cute.
Oh, nice shot, sir.
Mr. Cass to go up and down for par. Okay lang, lusot. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Okay, good shot. Nice shot. Okay, Mr. Raimundo also to go up and down for a par. Playing around 120. Slight pull. Left. Pasok sa bunker. Bunker. Everyone is an Olympian. Doy is in the bunker, pati si Mikey. Ako ay 25 yards. Left to right to na, di ba? 25 yards. Left to right. Hitting a 56 degree kasi uphill. Okay, Mikey and Doy for 4 points, both outside of the green pa. To go up and down for a bogey. Ay, kumagat lang. 3 points. Galing talaga. Muntik pa mag 4 points. Mikey for 3 points. Ako for 2. Doy for 1 point for Olympics. Meow, 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 meow.
Ayan na,
Pasok na, bogey pa! 3 points pa dapat! One up and 2 points. Uy! Meow, 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 meow! Aray ko po. Sakit naman ng lip out na yun. Wala. Mikey, bakit wala si Si Drew?
Well, kinabahan siya eh. Alam ko. Napag-isip-isip niya parang...
Mahirap maging down 2-0. Nakita ko pa yung patting mo ngayon. Wag na lang muna yung driver. Hindi kasi sa blue tee siya ngayon.
Oo nga.
Ang tingin mo sa isip?
Kinabahan.
Okay, hole number 3, playing 183 yards. Nascoop. Oh. Ang bilis ng karma.
Nice shot.
Just landed right off the green. Is wrong direction. 26 yards to the flag. Ano to, right to left to na? Counting kaliwa. Mabilis to di ba? Okay, try to nip a 60.
Bye.
Oh, shoot na raw ni Mikey for 4 points. Kanina wala siyang pakialam sa points. Ngayon meron na. Okay, Mikey for 4 points and for par. Everyone is, tapos si Doy 2 points if ever, ako 1. Both for par. Mahina, Mikey. Ayan, 3 points yan.
3 points na.
Wala. That's good, that's good. Meow, 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 meow. 2 points, Mr. Raimundo. Okay, for Olympic update, tie kami ni Doy. 4 points ako, 4 points siya. Si Mikey, 3. Tapos sa match play, it's 1 up. 4 tayo parehas. Mikey, 3. Hole number 4, playing 324 yards. Dog leg left. Hitting a hybrid. Ganda, Doy. Gitnang gitna. Nice shot.
Naku, kaliwanan mo, brother.
Okay lang. Safe, brother. Safe.
Kanan.
Nice shot.
That was a very terrible tee shot. Almost shanked it. Left with 160 yards. Subukan ko lang i-punch draw dito. If it goes near the green, then good. Okay. Angat! Ay, hindi umangat. Sayang. Okay. Doy just landed short of the green. Mr. Cass to go up and down for a par. This is his third shot. Around one. Ay, na-scoop. Na-cast. Naku, bunker pa. That is his fourth shot. Naku, nabola. Nakas. Sayang. My second shot almost made it. I'm left with 26 yards to the flag. Almost no green to work with. I will try to nip it or flop it with a 60-degree wedge. Pasok! Thank you. So Mr. Raimundo for par. Ako rin putting for par. Si Mikey Olympics na lang ang hinahabol niya. Pulikat na, pulikat. Mikey na naman, 3 points. Ay, hindi. Ikaw yata, Doy. Doy for 3 points. Mikey for 2. Ako for 1 and for par. Lakas. Napitik. Napitik eh. Okay, with that putt, I was able to gain a point. Tapos I am 2 up na sa match namin. So playing hole number 5. Winder woman. Okay. Bogey si Doy. Ako par. Okay. Hole number 5. Currently Olympics. I am 5 points. Doy is 4. Mikey is 3.
Nice shot, brother. Ay, naku, dumayb.
Ganda. Good shot.
Bite. Wag. Ay.
I'm 26 yards to the flag. Ano to? Left to right? O yan na? Right to left? Left to right. Okay. Ay, ang hina yata yan. Hindi sakto lang. Baba! Ay, hina ng konti. Hina. Okay, Mr. Raimundo for birdie and for 3 points. Ako I'm putting for par and 2. Mikey, ano ka putting? Par also in 1 point. Sais. Ganda na speed! Ay, sayang. Good putt, brother. Good try. Uy, kulang. Ang pitch.
Kala ko, magpapapreparation.
Panalo. Panalo kayo sa butas. Well, enjoy your round. Enjoy. Okay, par. Uy! Nag-B2B. Tumalon. Aray ko. Hole number 6. Playing 343 yards. Dog leg left. Samantulo pa kayo. Ganda?
Pati leg to, parang fourth leg na. Kasi parang
Ang
may
tournament.
ano sila eh.
Parang yearly.
Parang
Nice shot.
every quarter.
Nice shot.
Every quarter.
Ganda, Mikey. That was a very terrible tee shot. Pulled my drive to the left, kabilang fairway. So the pin is, yeah, in the middle, playing 115 yards. Hopefully those trees are not in play, hitting a 56-degree wedge. So playing around 10 yards. Ano to, na left to right?
Opo.
Oo na. Dun sa may dumi na yan.
Malaki na siya. Kasi maliit lang. Loob lang yan.
Mr. Raimundo putting for 3 points. Tas ano ka, playing par? Birdie. Okay, for birdie. Ako for par. Ikaw, Mikey? For bogey. Pasok. Ooh, good par, brother. Okay, Mikey for 2 points and for bogey. Ako for par and 1 point. Nakuha 2 points! 2 points pa siya!
Four.
Dandy par. 1 point. Ganda, Doy! Beauty. Nice shot, brother. Naku! Yun, safe bar. Gitna, gitna. Okay. Nice shot, brother. I'm left with 130 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 50-degree wedge.
Kick left.
Okay, Mr. Raimundo. 120 yards. Kanan, nag-fade eh. Magkadikit tayo.
Andun sa ano?
Sa kanan.
Sa green lang tayo, sir.
Sa gitna yata, pero kumanan. Sa green lang tayo. Yan, nagyabang na naman si Dodong. Ayan na. Mr. Cass with 82 yards to the flag to go up and down for his par. Ay, sahod. Galing magpalusot! Okay. Ang layo ng aking 3 points and birdie. 21 paces. Tapos si Doy 2 points. Si Mikey for 1. Mikey is for par, Doy is for birdie. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan bigay mo na? Kaliwa ba yan? Talaga ba? Okay, left to right pala. Pero hindi ganun kalaki. Kaliwa niyan? Ah, talaga? Laki ah. Okay. Pinilit. Yeah, kita na naman yung player mo. Tanong mo. Pasok!
Birdie lang, sir.
Birdie! Nice birdie! Natanggal yung sumpa ni Dodong. Nice birdie. Grabe yun. Tapos 2 points pa. 2 points birdie. Mahina, Mikey. Paakyat. Okay. Hole number 8. Playing 150 yards. Grabe yung putt ni Doy. Grabe yung birdie putt niya in 2 points. So they are... Parang pwedeng 8. Hindi naman matalbog na yan eh. No?
Matalbog.
Unfortunately, nagbunker pala si Mr. Raimundo to go up and down for his par. Yun, okay. Good out, brother. Olympian. Mr. Cass outside of the green for 4 points to go up and down for a par. Lakas lang. Olympian. Huwag mo nang turuan si Doy. Okay. Ako for 3 points. Doy for 1. Tapos Mikey for 2 points. Kulang sa kaliwa.
Ikaw kabay.
Par. Nice! Sayang! Natutunan na Mr. Raimundo yung linya. Okay, this is to keep the match na all square. Half down. Galing naman ng 1 point na yon. Grabe naman yan. Sabi ko na natutunan yung putt kay Mikey. Galing. Nice putt, brother. Good putt. Ganda nun. Ganda ng mga putt ni Mr. Raimundo ah. Ayaw magpabigay ng 100 ah. Playing 511 yards. Ay, nakabig. Meow, 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 meow. Ganda, yan na, bumalik na.
Balik. Mag-draw ka. May bagasa yan. Kick left. Nandito, pero hindi na gano'n.
Mikey second shot and also Doy. I think Mikey will try to cross the water with his 3-wood. Doy had to punch out. Ganda Mikey, tawid. Kumaliwa lang. Ayun, tawid. Nice shot! Okay. Need to
Tayo mapalo mong ganyan ah.
hit it low dito. Kaya naman ng 7 iron. Pero kailangan medyo mababa. Subok. Yun, talon! Napakaswerte nun!
Galing!
Buenas! Buti
Kakaiba yun ah.
Okay, Mr. Raimundo. Third shot. Angat. Okay, safe. Good shot, Doy. Mr. Cass. 160 yards to go up and down for birdie. Kumakaliwa ngayon yung palo mo, Mikey ah. Okay lang. Okay na to. Okay na to. Left with 150 yards to the flag. Hitting a pitching wedge kasi it's downwind.
Kick right. Ay, bunker. Opo. Ganun.
Mr. Raimundo for, I think par na yata to. You go up and down for par, I mean. Okay. Mr. Cass to go up and down for bogey. Nabola. Umangat ng konti. Okay lang. Good, dikit pa eh. Pinhay oh. Good shot, brother. I've been pulling my shots. Mabilis to Wengder woman ano? Medyo. Right to left ba to? Loob ng puno. Kung saan si Mikey?
Mana?
So Mikey 3 points, ako 2, Doy 1. Puro 3 points to si Mikey ah. Palitan natin pangalan, Mikey Curry.
Open bigla yun.
Kay Mr. Raimundo for 1 point and bogey. Parang natuktok ng konti, no? Okay. Start of the second 9. We are now 876 sa Olympics. I'm leading. Doy is second. Bronze medalist si Mikey. So, hole number 10. Ganda ng draw. Parang hinangin. Pero patong pala. Okay. Nice shot. Okay, hole number 10. Playing 140 yards. 43. I will... Then, 9 mo na lang, Wena. Oo, feeling ko short tong pitching. Ganda! Ayan oh, kinakain ng hangin oh. Ganda ng linya. Talagang mag-partners kami ni Mikey. Kaso ang hirap ng mo, ng stance mo. Pala. Ayun oh, ganda. Nice out. Ganda, Mikey. 4 points. Okay. Sumot nga. Okay, my Doy for birdie and to win the hole ulit. And for 3 points ako for 2. Ay, Mikey pala for 2. And kami parehas ni Mikey ka. Teka. Parehas kami ni Mikey for par. Mikey is for 2 points, ako for 1 point. Ay, kulang. That's good, brother. Okay. This is to half the hole. Pero walang minus.
Wala pa.
Uy. Oo, laki ng ball. Malakas na firm ko. Kadinagdagan ko kasi ng konting-konti. Si Doy made par. Kaming dalawa ni Mikey bogey.
Kahit ba? Sabi nyo, Kadi. Pakiramdam ko lahat ng yung laro mo pang pantabla lang.
Okay. Hole number 11. 295 yards. Laying up lang with a 6 iron. Dinoble bogey niya. Wala pero wala.
5 players naman sila.
Ganda, brother. Ganda niyan. Ganda.
Oh, sulitin mo na. Mikey. Second shot. Took his mulligan. First mulligan for the round. Ganda. Kanan lang. Okay. Nice shot. I am left with 115 yards to the flag. Hitting. Kaliwa to konti, di ba? Hitting a full. Ano to? 56 or 50 binigay mo? 56.
Oh, kaliwa. Right.
Right, huwag sa bunker.
To go up and down for a par. Nasa jungle siya. Ako, I'm currently in the bunker. 24 yards to the flag. Mikey, patong mo na para hindi Olympian. Okay. Kaliwa to Wena, no? 24. Malaki ba? Isang putter?
Kalahati lang, sir.
Takbo! Roll! Mahina lang. Mikey, for par and for 3 points. Tapos si Doy for birdie and for 2 points. Layo. Hindi ganun kabagal. Ay.
Ayaw magbigay ng schedule kasi
Dahil nga sa tournament dapat. Pasok na naman! Oh.
Bigay mo kung Griezmann lang.
Okay.
uy, bumali.
Good putt, brother. No movement sa Olympics.
No movement.
876. Okay, hole number 12. I am 1 down. Mahirap din, ang ganda ng laro ni Doy. Okay, this hole is playing mga 100. Ilang yardage mo, Wena? 150 plus. Okay.
Nice shot.
Okay, Mikey. To to go up and down for a bogey. And if ever for 4 points. Hindi naman. 1 point. Okay. Mikey for 1 point. Doy is putting for par and for 3 points. Ako am putting for birdie and for 2 points.
Uy. Parang kabig, sir.
Alright, hole number 13. Playing 489 yards. No movement. No movement sa aming putting Olympics. Pero for the match play, I am now just currently 1 down. Tapos, Olympics is 8-7-6. Yan, si Doy teeing off. Kaliwa lang. Slight pull. Ganda, brother. Wow.
Eagle na.
Thank you, brother. Okay. Doy, second shot. Good shot, brother. Far wing! Matigas eh. Hindi, matigas yung ano. Matigas yung fairway. That was a good tee shot. I am left with 163 yards to the flag. To go for it. Go up and down for hopefully an eagle. Hitting an 8 iron.
Kiglet. Kiglet.
Bunker pa rin.
Ano ba yan?
Nahulog yata si Doy at si Mikey. So that is for to go up and down for par yata yan. Doy, nalaglag ka ba? For par yan. Pating par. Bogey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pating bogey. Pating bogey. Si Mikey rin. Okay. Mikey. To go up and down for bogey. Ay, short. Olympian! Olympian! Okay, short. Hey, very unfortunate. Rolled to the bunker. Right or left on?
Ano, sir?
Thank you, brother. Mikey. To go up and down for double bogey. 4 points! 4 points! Okay, 2 points pa ako. Sayang. Okay. Sayang yun. 4 points sana yun, no? Okay, 1 point, Mikey. O, mark pa ba to? Mark? Ipa-mark natin, Doy? Okay, for 2 points pa ako. Doy for 3. Pero this is for birdie. Init ng ulo. Uy! Ay! Acting. Okay, playing hole number 14. Sayang, hindi ko pa na birdie yun. Playing 510 yards. We are now all square. Tapos sa Olympics, 877. Yun na, yun yung alam ko mga patama mo, Mikey. Patong. Dikit mo. For birdie. Sa par 3.
Par 3, okay, good.
Tingnan mo yung divot mo. Tingnan mo yung divot mo. Out to in talaga.
Tanggapin na natin.
Ha? Huwag kang papasok sa mga puno.
Yun, okay lang. Parang kumanan.
Sayang. No chance of going for it. Hitting lang a 50-degree wedge for course management right off that water tank. Sana this timing. Just landed right in front of the tree, 90 yards to the flag. I will try to get it over that tree. with a full 60-degree wedge. Hindi gumana ang aking inimbentong tira. 27 yards to the flag. Maliit sa kanan. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan?
Mahigit lang sir sa isang grip sir.
Mabilis to eh, di ba?
Mabilis.
Wag inip. No? Wag inip.
Wag init.
Ang nip ba, hindi naka-close ka?
Open.
Open, di ba? Pero ba't masusukoy naka-open?
Okay. Mikey putting for 3 points and for par. Doy, ikaw? Par din. Bogey. Kami pala ni Doy ni Mikey naglalaban. Okay. He is putting for par. I'm also putting for par and 2 points. Okay. I need to make this to go 1 up and 2 points. Ang bigay mo wing ski.
Inside.
Right inside. Okay, 1 up. 2 points, 2 points, then 1 up. 1 point. So 187. Ay sorry, 1087. Hole number 15. 442 yards. Grabe na yung init. So I'm currently 1 up. Tapos 10 points ako sa Olympics. 8 si Doy, 7 si Mikey. Hindi ko napapansin yung mga ganun. Kasi kailangan mo pala yan. Ay, ganda Mikey. Ay Mikey. Ganda Doy. Yan na. Tumatama na maayos. Maganda yan.
Yun. Bunker.
Playing, that was a very good drive. I'm left with 135 yards. I was thinking of hitting a pitching wedge pero against the wind at saka uphill. So hitting a choke down 9 iron. Maganda yata yan, Reyna. Maganda yata yan. Eagle! 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 Ano sasabihin mo?
Nice shot.
Ang arte. Ang landi. Okay, Mikey to go up and down for 1, 2, 3. Oh, for birdie pala to. In regulation. Tama na, tama na, tama na, tama na. Malakas lang. Kanan lang. Pating ano ka, birdie ka dyan, di ba? Pating birdie ka dyan, di ba? Par. Okay. Okay, Mikey. Putting for par and for 3 points. Ako yung putting for eagle and for 2 points. Ang pangit lang nung... Yan, sige, ang bait ni Wena. Okay, tapos Doy is putting for... Putting ano ka, Doy? Par? Putting bogey. Okay, putting bogey for bogey and 1 point. So mukhang kuha ko tong butas na to. Mukhang 2 up ako dito. Hindi lagi tayo nasa short. Lagi tayo nasa short.
Sakto din ang natin short mo.
Ooh. Okay na yan, Mikey? Okay lang, birdie. Okay, Mr. Raimundo for 1 point. Kuha! Uy, hindi bumali. Bumali sa dulo. Oh, yung pala eagle si Wena, oh. Kuling ni Wena. Ayaw mo pa mag-Olympics kanina. Okay, I am now 2 up. So hole number 16, it's playing 100 yards. Hitting a full, hindi pala full. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Go. Nice shot.
Sabi ni Wena, masaya talaga si Sir lagi pag maganda yung laro. Pag pangit, hindi mo makausap eh. Alam mo kung kailan masarap maganda pa. Ganda, Mikey. Join the club. Ay, sayang, kumanan sa.
Sayang.
Naku, yun na! May baba!
Kamali! Kamali!
sa Forbes. Ayan na, brother. Ilan na ba? Ay, kumana.
Sino mo ako talaga pabait? Isa pa. Just landed short of the green. 7 paces. Si Mikey, everyone's putting for birdie. Pero ako off the green, so I have a chance for 4 points. Si Mikey 3, si Doy 2. It's either 4 or 1 na to sana. Anong tingin mo?
Yung kaliwa lang sa ng brown na pitch mark.
Kaliwa lang, nalabas lang ng konti. Okay. Plus 1.
Pwede.
Plus 1.
Pat na?
Medyo opat na. Okay, par. 1 point.
Sayang. Kulang lang sa lakas.
Bumali eh. Nauna na naman ang yabang. Kitang-kita ko nandun na babali eh. Birdie to win the hole. Yay! Okay na yan, brother? Dormy. Dormy. Papractice na.
Dormy.
Ano score natin? 11, ano? 8-7.
Hole number 17. Par 3. Currently, sa aming Olympics, it's 11 ako, 8 points. 8 points si Doy, 7 points si Mikey. Tapos, dormy na sila. So, it's either I win na lang or we tie. So, playing hole 17. Okay. It's playing 175 yards pero it's downwind. So I'm hitting an 8 iron.
Behind.
Ganda yan.
Yan, ganyan. Ayan na, Doy! Ayan na! Ay, sayang! Tumigil! Sayang, brother! Ako sampal.
Right.
Habang lumalapit natin, saka humihingi.
Sayang yung kay Mr. Raimundo. Almost a hole in one. Sayang. Talaga ba? Talagang totoo nga yung storya. Ang dami niya napanalunan eh.
Kasi kagrupo namin yun, nasa likod lang kami.
Ikaw na raw magpapat. 1 point. Ay, marka mo pala kung saan. Para sa Olympics lang. Huy! You know, birdie. -1 kasi iba yung nagpat. Nice putt, Doy.
Tama na.
Doy is already in for birdie and for 1 point. Ako, titingnan pa pala natin. Hindi, 3 points na pala si Mikey. Okay, I have this putt for par. Pero panalo sila sa butas na to. So, 1 up na lang ako. Malakas! 3 points yan eh! 3 points yan! Okay na, that's good. Okay na to. Sobra naman. Napush. Bogey pa. Ganda ng Ganda ng tira ni Doy. Okay, because of that shot of Mr. Raimundo. Okay. So for Olympics, ako 11 points, si Doy 9, Mikey 7. Tamo, kinarma si Mikey, kakayabang na napako sa 7. Napako na sa 7. May bagong shaft na pala sana ako.
Oo.
Talagang dinama yung sarili sa
Magkano ba yun ngayon, sir?
100 something na to.
100 na ba ulit?
Yata. Oh. isa.
Okay lang, ang ganda. Fairway.
Ito lahat dapat wood sa akin, walang ayaw.
Mr. Cass, 260 yards to the flag. This is to either tie our match or I would win it. Nice shot. Nice shot, Mikey Wood. Huwag ka lang. I am still left with 220 yards to the flag. Come on, Luigi. I need to stick it close para panalo pa rin. Ito yung third shot of Mr. Raimundo. Uy, dikit. Wag. Olympian pa. Olympian pa. Okay. They are both on the green. I need to hit this close. Oo nga. Oo nga. Kailangan mapasok ito sa loob nyo. Okay. I just landed left of the fairway or the rough. They are both putting for par already. So for me to win this match, I need to match them. So 36 yards to the flag. I need to hit this close. I will nip a 60-degree wedge. Tirang 30. Sa loob lang nun, di ba yung puno na yun sa kaliwa? Sa loob lang nun.
Opo.
Ay, kulang sa kaliwa talaga eh. Pero okay na yan. Okay, ito na. Mr. Olympian. Mr. Olympia. Mr. Raimundo. Chance for 4 points. So malamang siya na yung 1. 3 points si Mikey. Ako 2. Either 4 or 1 point na nanto si Doy. Sipat na sipat nila ni Dodoy. Okay, for 1 point si Doy. Okay, kami ni Mikey. Mikey is putting for par and for 3 points. Ako for 2 points and for par. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Woo! Okay. This putt is to outright win the match. For the win, for the win. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anong bigay mo, Wena? Oo, halos isang cup lang. Dun sa may divot, light brown. Okay, for 2 points and to win the match. Hindi bumali, malaking bigay natin. Mr. Raimundo for 1 point. One point. Alright. Nice shot, Dodong. Meow, 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 meow.
60.
Mabilangan tayo mamaya doon sa ano. Good round, brother.
10 ako, no? 10.
Good round.
11 ka?
11.
So
20. So 120. Tapos kami ni Mikey 180. 180. Okay, good round, brother.
Good round, good round.
Yan yun. Si Wena. Oh. Wena, wing, 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 wing. Ano? Ay, picture tayo. Ang galing ni Wena. Recap. I won the match play. So I won from Mikey 180 pesos. Tapos kay Doy I won 120. So I won Olympics and also the stroke play. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you very much for all your support. Nice shot.